The other point is that let us say you want to ask direction, and the direction you want to ask is what? A nearby direction, okay? If it is nearby direction, okay, it's nearby. So in order to ask a nearby direction in Amharic language, the word or the phrase you're gonna use is that in English you're gonna say what? Where is a nearby dash? Okay, you want to ask a direction. For instance, let us say you came from other place and you reached in one destination and you are so tired, so you want to find a nearby hotel or a nearby bank in order to have cash, okay, or a nearby ATM. So how can you say nearby, okay? Since you are new to the place, always it is better for you if you find a nearby bank or a nearby hotel or a nearby ATM. So how we're gonna say nearby, okay? So where is a nearby dash? So you're gonna say where is a nearby dash? In Amharic, in order to say nearby, you're gonna say what? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash የት ነው? Dash, I just left here dash. You're gonna fill it, okay? If it is a bank, you're gonna say bank. If it is hotel, you're gonna say hotel. If it's ATM, you're gonna say ATM, okay? So በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash የት ነው? It means where is a nearby dash? Where is a nearby dash? So በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ. This one is basic alphabet B. This one is basic alphabet A. This one is basic alphabet, no? Subgroup of alphabet K, K, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, K. This one is K, okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet R, R, Ru, Ri, Ra. This one is Ra, whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet B, B, Bu, B. This one is B, and this one is subgroup of alphabet Ya, Ya, Yu, Yi, Ya, Ya, okay? And this one is main alphabet Ya, and this one is subgroup of alphabet Ma, Ma, Mu, Mi, Mi, okay? This one is main alphabet Ga, and this one is subgroup of alphabet Nya, Nya, Nyu, Ni, Nya, Nye, Nye, okay? Nye. When we read it, በአቅራቢያ በአቅራቢያ which means nearby, okay? በአቅራቢያ nearby የሚገኝ found, it means found. በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash የት ነው? የት ነው means where is it? የት. This one is main alphabet ye. This one is subgroup of alphabet ta, ta, tu, ti, ta, te, t, t, yet. This one is main alphabet na. And this one is subgroup of alphabet wa, wa, wu, wi, wa, we, we, okay, we. When we read it, yet no. Where is it? So, በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash yet no. It means where is a nearby dash? Where is a nearby dash? So, as I said you, in order, if you are tired or something like that, or if you are just fed up of, for finding a place and you want to ask a nearby place, so you're gonna say, where is a nearby dash? Where is a nearby hotel? Where is a nearby bank? Where is a nearby ATM? So in order to ask that in Amharic language, you're gonna say በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ, if it is hotel, hotel የት ነው? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ hotel የት ነው? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ bank የት ነው? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ATM የት ነው? So as I said you before, be polite. So sir or excuse me, where is a nearby hotel? Sir or excuse me, where is a nearby bank? Okay? In order to ask that in Amharic language, you're gonna say ወንድሜ. If the person you are asking is male, ወንድሜ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ባንክ የት ነው? Or እህቴ. If the person you are asking is female, እህቴ. You're gonna say እህቴ means my sister, whereas ወንድሜ means my brother. So if the person you are asking is female, እህቴ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ባንክ የት ነው? ወሽማር በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ባንክ የት ነው? Or if they are both male or female, you can use ይቅርታ. It means excuse me. ይቅርታ በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ሆቴል የት ነው? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ባንክ የት ነው? It means that, sir or excuse me, where is a nearby bank or a nearby hotel? So I think this one helps a lot, okay? So in order to ask a nearby location, the word we use in Amharic language is በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ dash የት ነው? you're gonna fill here the place. If it's bank, if it's hotel. So በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ሆቴል የት ነው? በአቅራቢያ የሚገኝ ባንክ የት ነው? So where is a nearby hotel? Where is a nearby bank? Okay, so this one is so helpful, I think. So use it, okay, in order to ask a nearby place or location. So next we're gonna see the other one, okay.